on making, and it's a hollow box with a door. But for making a roof, I'm just going to take a rectangle, make sure I'm on the correct plane so I can see and make it parallel to the ground. Take my rectangle tool and try to draw out, and I'm just going to go about 2 feet out. I hope I didn't see how long it was. That was a mistake. Alright, 28 and 4/15 by 2 and 7 1/8. We're going to go to about 2 feet. It doesn't have to be super precise. And then I'm going to do the same thing going this direction. I'm only going to do 2 sides. Come on, get on the right plane. There we go. I'm trying to go parallel to the roof line. So the line going out to the left runs level with this line here. So roofs always have an overhang, so if it's raining, it's not just going to drip down the side of your house. That would be a problem. So I'm going to draw a box over top of this. This is not going to stay there. This is just to give me a reference point to go back to. So I'm going to draw a little rectangle about in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfectly precise. If I wanted to be exact, I could always do like a little crisscross pattern here with my measurement tool and see exactly where center is. I could do that. And I'm going to put just a little rectangle in here. I'm going to go ahead and delete these measurements. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just going to leave them. I am. So I'm going to take the rectangle, I'm going to push pull, I'm going to pull it up about a couple feet, 4 feet, sure, somewhere in there. And then I'm just going to draw a line from each corner to the corner and check out this magic. Corner to corner, corner to corner. And it has now what looks like part of a roof. One thing that I didn't do that I probably should have done before I did all the rectangle stuff was I should have push-pulled this up just an inch or two. I'm going to get rid of my line if it'll let me. I'm going to pull this up just an inch or two because it should have some depth. So I come up 2 inches. Okay, now I'm going to connect those back up again. And that's pretty much how you make the basic outline of the roof. I am going to delete a few things then, because I told you I would just do 2 different sides. So now when I'm doing my video tour, I'm going to come in from this direction, and it looks like there's a full-blown roof. 4 feet might have been a little bit too short. It looks like there's not much slope to this roof. So maybe do a little higher depending on how big your building is, but when I'm zooming in, it looks like there's a real roof here. On the back side, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to delete the entire ceiling. So after I go in to my building with my tour, again, that backside is deleted, but you can't tell from here. I'm going to go into the building, and when I maneuver around on the inside, what it allows me to do is zoom out very, very, very mind-bogglingly slowly. I can zoom out then and get like a sky view of the inside of the house this way. It just makes it so you don't go through as many walls as you're trying to navigate through your tiny house. But that is my half roof. Shouldn't take terribly long. It's not a terribly difficult process. Let me know if you have any challenges. Good luck.